Good day everybody, and welcome to the channel. Now today I'm going to be resetting the service on my 2002 Mercedes-Benz W211 E320, and I've been trying to reset the service light on this for about a week. I've had quite a few goes at it. Two different Mercedes mechanics have had a go at it, and none of us have been able to do it. I've watched dozens of videos online showing how to do it, but my menu on my display instrument cluster looked completely different to other people's. So then I found out that if you have one of the very first W211s that was made, you will have a different instrument cluster to other people who have a later one, of course. So I know with Americans and some other countries, they didn't get the Mercedes W211 until later on in 2003. Here in Australia, we had it in the later part of 2002, and very early model cars like this one, which I think from memory the VIN number ends with like 1204 or 1214, something like that. It's a very early VIN number, and this car was made probably in the first 1 or 2 weeks of production. So I don't know when they changed these instrument clusters to something different, but I'm now going to show you. We finally worked out how to do the service light reset. Now the procedure, if I can replicate it, because it took me, I've had so many different goes, is to simply insert the key and turn it round to the first position, and you will have come up the SRS airbag light coming up there. Now what we do is I'm simply pressing these up and down buttons. Now other people would tell you that the thing you need to do next is to press this 3 times once you've put the car key in and turn it to the first position, but that's where we keep going wrong. Use these buttons here now to bring it up to where it says that we have exceeded the service interval. So I'm actually going through these 2 buttons here. Now I think I need to go to a certain point. Okay. So just going to go back out of that. So take it to your speedo and temperature. We now press the up and down buttons. Until we find the service. Okay, so now we're into the service reminder. This is where we need to be able to activate the secret service reset menu. So over here now on this button, we don't press it 3 times. We actually press and hold for 6 seconds. And you will now get a new menu pop up. And there we have it, the service menu. Now from memory, I think it was these buttons, I could be wrong. Yes, use the plus and minus buttons to go down. So we go down until it says confirmation. And the button that we need to press to confirm is this button here, is the bottom one. So pressing that now is now changed to confirm. If you wish to confirm, press it again and we will confirm our reset. Yes, I've used standard oil, and service is now confirmed. So if you were like me and been going crazy for trying to reset that service light, and you've watched all the other videos telling you to put the key in and press this button 3 times, that is not the procedure on the very early W211s, and so hopefully that will now get you all sorted. Okay guys, have a great day. See you later.